Hi there. Would you like to take a box of old Honda 50 and 70 parts and completely rebuild it yourself? Well, if so, today is your lucky day. My name is Mark Pearson. I have a step-by-step video on tearing the engines down and putting completely back together. And you can take an old box of parts like this one and make something look like this. Yeah, that one there, it's a Honda S65. And next to it is a Honda 70. And this one is actually in the video. And once again, if you're interested in the videos, email me at mapearson@bellsouth.net.